chessboard. Make sure all of your pawns are instanced, which means if you change one, they will all change. Anyway, they're instances. We can check that out. Go to your modifier list, find MassFX R body. You will see a cage, that's its collision box, and you can see also that your other pawns have that as well. We're going to make sure this is set to dynamic, and then we'll leave that there. Select your board. Let's turn on edged faces. And the board needs more segments. I'm going to give it 10 and 10 and 3. And turn off edged faces. I will also put a MassFX R body here, but this will be static because it's not moving. The next thing we'll do is we're going to make what's going to collide. This time I'm going to make a little cylinder. And just like the others, MassFX R body. This one will be kinematic. Let's go ahead and rotate this one 90 degrees. Make sure that we place it in a good position so that it will hit all of our pawns. And then go ahead and keyframe the cylinder. Let's give it about 15 frames, and I'll move it over here. Turn that off, double check. That will move across. Great. Now go to animation, find your MassFX menu and go out to utilities. We want show of MassFX tools. One quick thing to note, let's say we do this. If I say play the simulation, start the simulation, it looks really bad. I'm going to reset it, come here to the world scene settings, and we're going to change substeps to 5 and solver iterations to 10. And now if we play, we start, things work much better. And we can reset and play. Okay, that looks good. And now when you're satisfied with that, you will say bake all. And it might have to think for a little bit. But now when we scrub through, we can see our animation. We can check for things to see how they're working. You can see that they crash into each other. Looks great.